Hi, my name's Brad. I'm from Waterloo. I got this right out of Kijiji, and then I decided to explore the idea of this company, Bunkie Life. And I didn't know what to expect. My expectations, well, honestly, I didn't know what to expect. And so when I had my tour through Ben, who was holding the phone right there, he showed me through all the exterior units. He brought me through the factory. Great smell, by the way. And he said, "You want to do this for a chance to win one of these?" So I said that. And the construction is quite good. He just explained to me 3 season. My interpretation was 4. He corrected me on that. And he just went through the possibilities of what the different models could be applied to, whether it's in your backyard or at the cottage. And I think it's pretty good. So there you go. That's my 2 cents.